guys, welcome back to my channel. We have super exciting episode for today. Guys, have you seen already Louis Vuitton's latest cruise collection 2022? OMG, right, you guys? So for this episode, guys, I would be discussing and would be reviewing most of the Louis Vuitton bag from cruise collection 2022 and would be giving it thumbs up or thumbs down. Hi guys, Runner Mirror here, your looking budgetarian fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury, bags and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I'm inviting you to join our growing family by clicking the small icon here so you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirror5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so for Louis Vuitton Cruise Collection 2022, they have a lot of new bags, right? So I have categorized all the bags that I've seen from Louis Vuitton, and I feel if I'm correct, guys, if I'm not, please do comment down below. So I've categorized the Louis Vuitton bags and I've categorized them into 7. So we have the Petit Malle, we have the Coussin, we have the Dauphine, LV Twist. And then there are 2 new ones, the moon-shaped bag, I don't know the name yet. Then there are also Hobo Bag. And then there's, the 3 one. Then the last one is it's like a soft trunk bag with S-lock. So for the last 3, I still don't know the names. So those are the main categories, and I will be discussing each category for the bags of Louis Vuitton Cruise Collection 2022. Let us begin. Alright, for category number 1 is the Petit Malle. For the Cruise Collection 2022, I've seen 2. First one is, this is my favorite, the Black Petit Malle. Hopefully you don't mind that I'm looking here because here are my notes. So the Petit Malle in black and the Louis Vuitton monogram is in color white. They have modernized there's a new take with the Petit Malle. So this one, you would actually see this with the entirety of the collection. They are using chunky chain, right? You know me and my chunky chains. I do love chunky chain. So I so love this Petit Malle version. It looks modern and it really looks unique. In the second Petit Malle, this one, they are bringing back the since 1854 print. So for the runway, what I've seen is the leather trims that they have showed is in the color pink. So I'm not sure if it's the ballerine pink. And then there is another chunky chain shoulder strap, or the shoulder straps that it comes with is fully detachable. So I'm not really sure because it doesn't show on the collection whether these Petit Malles would come with the regular leather strap which you could wear as a crossbody. So hopefully it does, because this bag is really, really expensive. But I love the new look of this Petit Malles. And for me, if again I would have extra amount of money, definitely I would want to have this and add to my collection. So for the Petit Malle category, I am giving it 2 thumbs up, and I am highly recommending this to you guys if they will be coming out soon. Alright, category 2 is the Coussin family. So there are, I think if I'm not mistaken, 3 Coussin, sorry guys for my pronunciation, the Coussin bags that walk the runway. So the very first one is the black leather, and the Louis Vuitton monogram is in white. So guys, you know that I've vlogged so much with the Coussin PM, and the previous one I didn't really like for example with the pre-fall. I've vlogged about that one, so if you haven't seen that, link it up here and also in the description box rather. For that version of the Coussin PM, I gave it 2 thumbs up. So later I'm going to give you the rating for these new Coussin PMs and MMs, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So like what I mentioned, the first one is the Black Coussin PM. So I love, again, so it's the normal Coussin style. So it's soft, it looks like a pillow. Again, they are modernizing this one with a brand new chunky chain. So for the chunky chains, guys, I'm not really sure if this is #1 made of whether it's steel or whether it's made of acrylic or made of leather, because of course it's in the runway, we couldn't touch it. So hopefully soon we would know, but definitely for me, if I would be given a choice, I would like it to be made of, you know, brass or steel, so that, you know, of course, the longevity of the chains. So for this Coussin colorway, I really love it because I love that the Louis Vuitton monogram stands out. The second Coussin that I've seen, so I believe this is the PM size because it looks smaller. So it is the all green Coussin PM with the chunky chain that is color green as well. So guys, looking at this video and photo, you would see that it really looks like the toiletry pouch. So maybe hopefully this may not be the reason why Louis Vuitton is continuing the toiletry pouch, because again, it really looks like the Coussin PM. But with this Coussin PM, I like the color, it looks fresh. Again, the chunky chain is, you know, I'm so loving that one. And I believe there's another one, there's a pink version. I'm just going to put the photo here. So for the Coussin category, guys, you would be surprised. Previously, I gave it 2 thumbs down, but for this styles of the Coussin PM, I am giving it 2 thumbs up. I really like the newer style. I like the chain that it comes with, and most especially, I think why I'm giving it 2 thumbs up is the very first one, the black and white colorway. I'm sold on that one. Oh, I'm not really sure if it already came with the pre-fall collection, but for this version, I really love it and highly recommending them to you guys as well. Alright, category 3 is the Dauphine family. So for this collection, I would be discussing 3. So the very first Dauphine bag, this one, OMG guys, I so love. So with my recent visit to Louis Vuitton in Solaire, I actually added the Dauphine wallet on chain to my wish list, because for me the Dauphine really looks, you know, elegant. It really looks chic, and I love the overall, you know, material that they've used. So for this newer Dauphine bag in this cruise collection 2022, this is the first time that I'm seeing it. Of course, it's new. They've modernized the look. So although I'm not really sure how the Bottega fans would feel, because this one, it looks like, you know, the interweaving of the leather that is made famous by, of course, Daniel Lee by Bottega. So I'm not really sure if this also has that exact same weave, but you know, it looks the same. But I love the style of this one. I love the colorway, and of course, it comes with the detachable chunky chain, which again, as of the moment, we're not sure what the material is. So I'm just hoping that the Dauphine would also come with a longer shoulder strap, so you could carry this as a longer shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. The second and third, the Dauphine that I would be discussing, so these would be both in the since 1854 jacquard print. Again, Louis Vuitton is bringing this back, and I'm very, very happy because I didn't have a chance to purchase a since 1854 collection from the previous one. So again, the first one is in the, I'm not really sure if this is vachetta or a treated tan leather. So I love the shoulders, or the top handle that it comes with. It's like the regular adjustable top handle from the Neo Way, so you could easily adjust that with just a snap button. And then the next Dauphine bag would be the one with the light blue leather trim. So this one, just like the very first Dauphine, it comes with the super chunky chain, which again, I so am in love. I am just wishing again for all the Dauphines that it would come with a longer shoulder strap. So my overall rating and for the Dauphine category is, I'm giving all the 3 bags 2 thumbs up. And maybe if you're looking for a Dauphine bag, this would be a nice one to add to your collection once this has been released. Alright, next bag category, number 4, is the Louis Vuitton Twist family. So guys, you know that I have added a twist wallet on chain from my recent Louis Vuitton visit. So hopefully I'm not being biased on this one. But when I have seen this on the runway, it's like OMG. So the very first twist bag that I'm going to discuss, is the silver twist bag that is made of the silver epi leather. If I'm not mistaken, the hardware is gold, and the chunky chain is in light blue or cerulean blue. So I really love this version of this bag. Are you noticing, guys? Is it just me? I feel that this bag is a little bit longer compared to the normal twist bags that we have right now. You know, as like how the model is carrying it, I feel that it's very good carrying it as a clutch when you detach the fully detachable chain. So hopefully, again, my wish is that it would come with the longer shoulder strap, so you would be able to carry it more rather than just carrying it as a tote bag. The next twist bag, this is very different. So this one is the multicolored Louis Vuitton twist bag. I really love the different colors that they're using. I'm not really sure what was their inspiration behind this. Is this, you know, pro LGBTQ? If yes, I'm sold on it, or just because of, you know, the colors of the collection that they're using. That's why they're using multiple leather on this one single bag. So this one, it looks really fun. It looks really stylish. Again, it comes with the regular LV twist closure, which I am such a huge fan. That is why I am adding the wallet on chain from, you know, the recent visit that I did. I love, again, the chunky chain that it comes with, and these chunky shoulder straps are fully detachable. So again, hopefully they would come with a longer shoulder strap so you can carry it, you know, more conveniently as a crossbody bag. So my overall rating for the twist category of Louis Vuitton for Cruise 2022 collection is definitely 2 thumbs up, and I am recommending them to you guys. And out of the 2, definitely for me, I love the silver twist bag of Louis Vuitton. Alright, category 5 from Cruise 2022 collection are the moon-shaped bags of Louis Vuitton. Again, guys, apologies, I still don't know what their names are. So the very first one that I'm going to discuss is the one with the classic monogram canvas with the vachetta leather. So this one, guys, I feel that this is again another take of Louis Vuitton for the late 90s, early 2000 bags. Unfortunately, the shape of this one is very reminiscent of for me, with the Celine Triumph bags, and I also feel that also looks reminiscent of the Burberry bags by Riccardo Tisci. So this one, I like the moon-shaped bag. Again, the monogram is very classic. The vachetta leather, I'm not a fan, so I wish they could change it with the, you know, a treated leather, maybe a black leather instead, so it would be a carefree bag. The next bag would be the still under the moon-shaped category, would be the Since 1854 print. So this one, the Since 1854 jacquard print, is in the lighter color. So I'm not really sure what would be the wear and tear of the lighter Since 1854 jacquard print. I feel that in the future, you know, it may darken, it may not be as white compared to when you purchase it. So here with the model, the strap that it comes, the shoulder strap that it comes with is again the reminiscent from the Neon Away, where you could easily adjust it longer to carry it as a crossbody by just the snap button. And I see here also that there is a shoulder, a mini top chain strap, so that's good. So you could carry this one aside from as a shoulder bag, you could carry it as a top handle. So even though that this is very reminiscent of, you know, the Celine moon-shaped bag as well, for me, I like this style. It's very current, it's very modern. That is why I am giving it 2 thumbs up and would be recommending them to you guys as well. Bag category number 6 are the Hobo Bags. So they have released a lot of Hobo Bags from this collection, but I would just be showing 2 videos. Would be the interweaving Hobo bag. So the first one is the multicolored interweaving Hobo bag. This one, to be honest, guys, if you have been following me on Instagram and been viewing most of the bag reviews that I've done, I'm not really a fan of, you know, a slouchy or non-structured bags, because for me personally, I would love to have a structured bag because I feel that the life of the bag would be better compared to slouchy bags. So this one, I'm not a fan of the style, I'm not a fan of the color. Then the second hobo bag that I would like to discuss, I feel this is a little bit okay for me. This is the monochrome or monochromatic version. So it has a white leather, gray leather, and a black leather. So again, it's a hobo bag. So I'm not really sure if this hobo bag, you could carry it as a crossbody. Does it come with a long shoulder strap or what? But for the hobo bag category, for the Louis Vuitton Cruise Collection, unfortunately, I'm giving it 2 thumbs down. Alright, last but not the least category, bag number 7 is the soft trunk category. So for this one, I would be discussing 2 bags from this collection. So the very first one is the brown and black combo. So this one, I super love this bag. It's very reminiscent of the Petite Malle, but a bigger version. I feel that they have released this one in the past, so hopefully I'm not mistaken. If I am, guys, please comment down below. This one, guys, looking at the video and some photos of this bag, it looks like an exotic skin. So as we know, if it's an exotic skin, whether lizard, ostrich, or the crocodile skin, definitely the price would shoot up. But regardless, guys, the style of this one and the size, the chunky chain, it looks really, really nice, and it looks really modern. I also love the S-lock. So the S-lock makes it really look more luxurious. The second on the same category would be a multicolored one. Again, guys, this looks like the interweaving of Bottega, so I'm not really sure how would people feel. It comes in different colors. So on this angle, I'm seeing, of course, the black leather. It also has the green, white, and then it comes with the detachable chunky chain. So again, hopefully this would also come with the second longer detachable strap, so you could carry this one as a crossbody bag. So the size of these two looks very, very spacious, and I feel that this, would transform from day to night. So for me, actually, for this category, for the soft trunk category, I am giving it 2 thumbs up and would be recommending them to you guys as well. Alright, how did you like our bag review for Louis Vuitton Cruise 2022 collection, guys? So I would love to hear your thoughts. If I would be choosing among these, definitely it's either I would be choosing within the Swiss category and from the Dauphine family. Those are the 2. I would love to add the Petite Malle, but it's just, crazy, super expensive. But I'm a little bit surprised and very, very happy that Nicolas Ghesquiere has produced a very wonderful collection for Cruise 2022 collection. So congratulations, Louis Vuitton, and can't wait to see this one once it has been released. Alright, so guys, before we end this vlog episode, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Macaroni. So Macaroni, thank you so much for watching the 30 most affordable Louis Vuitton bags. Super appreciate your wonderful comment. Thank you so much, Macaroni. Alright, so again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our growing family by clicking this small icon here. So click on that one so you could easily subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please do hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/RamiraFile so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me in this bag review for Louis Vuitton's 2022 Cruise Collection. I will see you guys on our next vlog episode. Please do stay safe and healthy. Bye!